stop listening to all the hype. When I see these videos, I sound a little aggressive, but when I see these videos, they just irritate me, like making fun of the fact that Forex traders have no other options. Like, yes, we do. Like, do some research. So I'm gonna give you 3 different tips that I would advise anybody who's trying to find their way in this space and how to move forward. 1, do a quick Google search to find US regulated brokers. Complete the information, fill it out. If you're looking for brokers that operate with meta quotes, make sure you include that in your search. Again, I cannot recommend just one broker for y'all to go to. There are several out there that are still regulated. You also might want to visit like the National Futures Association website to find out what brokers are registered with them so that you can find somebody to trade with. Because there are, I keep saying this, there are other platforms, like I think they've moved to Schwab now. Schwab, it was TD Ameritrade, but I believe they moved over to Schwab, that allows you to trade Forex too. Lord have mercy. That will allow you to set up an account, allow you to trade. The user interface is different, so it's foreign, and you've got to learn how to actually navigate through that. That can be a little bit clunky, but that's a legitimate way for you to continue to trade Forex. It's not as easy or as intuitive as meta quotes, but you can figure it out. If you figuring out how to trade, you can figure it out. All right. My second piece of advice is keep marking up charts. Whether you're going to trade futures or whatever it is you're about to go do, the technical aspect of trading still remains the same. Doesn't matter the asset that you're trading, your analysis is still going to be key. Now, granted, I do not trade futures, but I know that when I'm looking at doing an options play on a company, guess what I'm doing? I'm marking up the chart. I'm marking up the chart to figure out where's the best price for me to get in at in order to see a return on my investment. So Google search, keep marking up charts. And then the third piece of advice that I would give you is stop listening to all the hype. When I see these videos, I sound a little aggressive, but when I see these videos, they just irritate me, like making fun of the fact that Forex traders have no other options. Like, yes, we do. Like, do some research. I really encourage y'all to do some research. And you will be able to see what is and what's not. Okay. So that's my little 2 cents about it. I hope that this video in some way resonated with you. Share it with somebody. And if you still want to learn how to trade Forex and you're in it for the long haul, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. I put out videos on a pretty regular basis. I teach you guys my approach to the market, and I'd love to share that with you. Okay? So I will see y'all sooner than you think. Have a good weekend.